Welcome to our lesson on Excel formulas and functions, specifically designed for grade 6 students. Get ready to unlock the power of Microsoft Excel for quick and accurate calculations. First, let's start with a brief introduction to what Microsoft Excel is and why it's so useful. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software. Think of it as a digital ledger that helps you organize, analyze, and store data in tables. The best part about Excel is its ability to perform quick calculations using formulas and functions. This saves a lot of time and prevents mistakes. Now let's dive into the core topic, understanding how to create and use formulas in Excel. A formula is an equation that performs a calculation. The most important rule is that every formula in Excel MUST begin with an equals sign, equals. Formulas use basic arithmetic operators, just like in math class: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. Instead of typing the numbers, Excel uses cell references like A1 foot or B1. So to add the values in A1 and B1, your formula would be equals A1 plus B1. Next, we move to a more powerful tool in Excel: functions. They are designed to simplify complex or common calculations. A function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. It helps you save a lot of time. One of the most used functions is SUM. If you want to add up a long list of numbers, instead of adding them one by one, you just type equals SUM, open parentheses, and select the range of cells. If you need to find the average or mean of a set of numbers, you use the average function. It quickly calculates the sum of the numbers and divides by the count. The max function tells you the largest number in a range of cells, while the min function tells you the smallest number in that range. These are great for quickly identifying extremes in your data. Now that you know the basics of formulas and some key functions, let's look at how you can use them together for a real task. Imagine you have student scores. You can use the SUM function to find the total score and the average function to find the average grade for the class. Give it a try. That wraps up our introduction to formulas and functions in Excel. You've learned some powerful tools today. Remember, formulas are equations you create, always starting with equals. Functions are predefined formulas like SUM and average that make complex calculations simple. Keep practicing these concepts in Excel. The more you use formulas and functions, the faster and more efficient you'll become at handling data. Happy Excelling!